Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn English. In today's video, I told you that I am going to give you a practice exercise. So in this video, we are going to practice some questions regarding nouns. So let us start. So here I have written some sentences and we are going to just identify the nouns that and write their types also. Okay, so here the question is given to you that identify nouns and write their types. So here first question is that I made tomato soup yesterday. So here is written that I made tomato soup yesterday. So here there are two nouns. So what are the nouns? So here two nouns are there, that are tomato and soup. So here tomato is a proper noun because it is the name of the vegetable. Proper noun it is because it is the name of a vegetable. And soup is here a common noun. I am writing the short form that tomato is a proper noun and here soup is a common noun because only soup if we will see, so it is a soup. So any type of soup can be here, and here tomato is a proper noun because here proper vegetable name is given to you. Okay, so next is Goa is known for its white sandwiches and seafood. So here Goa is a noun because it is the name of a place. Goa is a noun here and it is a proper noun. And here white sandwiches. So here white is a proper noun and sandwiches is a common noun. But if we see that white sandwiches along with it, so it will be a proper noun, that white sandwiches. Okay, and here last seafood. So it is a common noun. It is a common noun because here the name of the seafood is not given. Okay, now next sentence is that during summer it is best to wear cotton clothes. So here it is written that during summer it is best to wear cotton clothes. So here firstly summer is the noun. It is a proper noun because the proper name of the season is given to you. So it is a proper noun. And next is to wear cotton clothes. So here cotton is also the noun and clothes is also the noun. So cotton is a proper noun and clothes is here a common noun because cotton is the particular name of a fiber, so it is a proper noun. Clothes, if we read it, अगर हम इसे एक साथ बोलते हैं cotton clothes, तो ये proper noun होगा. Okay, so next is fourth sentence that India's economic growth is increasing. So here two nouns are there, that is India. Firstly India, you all know that it is a proper noun because it is the proper name of a country. And here growth is also the noun. It is the abstract noun here. Abstract noun because here growth is given to you. We cannot see the growth, but we can feel the growth. Okay. Now next is fifth one. A swarm of honeybees descended on flowers in the garden. So here a swarm of honeybees is a noun and it is a collective noun. It is a collective noun because here the collection of honeybees is given to you and the collection of honeybees is called swarm. So it is a collective noun. And here flowers are given to you. Flowers is here a common noun because there is not given the name of the particular flower, so it is a common noun. And here garden is also the common noun. It is a common noun. Next is sixth one, which is the man is known for his love for animals. So here one abstract noun is there. So what is the man? The man here is the common noun. Why it is a common noun? Because here the name of the man is not given to you. And the second one is love. Love is here a abstract noun again. Love is here a abstract noun because we cannot see love, we feel it. And here animals is also a noun, and it is a common noun because which animals are given to you, that is not given. Okay, fine friends. Now I am going to share the more 6 questions to you. Okay friends. And 7th one is nobody is as cheerful as Suhani. So here one noun is there, that is Suhani, and it is a proper noun. Next is that change the gender of the following. So we have to change the gender, means if they are in masculine form, so we have to change them in feminine. So let us start. First is author. So what will be the feminine of author? It is a masculine and we have to convert it in feminine. So it will be authoress. It will be authoress. Okay. Now next one is rooster. Rooster is the male hen and the feminine of rooster is hen. Author, authoress, rooster, hen. Now husband. The feminine of husband will be wife. Next is dog, and it is in masculine. Dog is masculine and the feminine of dog is bitch. Okay. So next is daughter. So what will be the changed gender of daughter? Yes, it will be son. Next is priest. Priest means पुजारी जो मंदिरों में काम करते हैं, एंड priest का हो जाएगा feminine priestess. Okay friends. Now next is mare. Mare is the female horse and the masculine of mare will be horse. Okay. Now next is bull. Now the feminine of bull will be cow. Okay. Next is sow. So the male of sow, it is a feminine. So the masculine of sow will be pig. Okay friends. Masculine of sow will be pig. Next is duck. You all know duck. And its feminine will be what? Drake. Right. Drake. Okay. Now the next one is tiger. And the feminine of tiger will be tigress. Okay friends, clear? Now the next is last second one is vixen. It is in feminine form and the masculine form of vixen will be, yes, fox. Okay. Now the last one is brother. You all know the feminine of brother, that is sister. So I hope it is clear to you how to change the gender of the names. Okay. So thank you friends for watching my video, and if you like my video, so please like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.